Hey guys, you can use Google Finance by searching for a stock or company on Google to see its data, or by using Google Finance function in Google Sheet, right, to pull real-time and historical data directly into a spreadsheet. For instance, right, for the function, you type equal Google Finance, right? So let me type equal Google Finance, okay, and include arguments for the stock ticker, okay, the specific data you want, like price, volume, and optional date, and you can see real-time data, okay, and you can search for a company or ticker, and also you can create a portfolio inside Google Finance by just hitting new portfolio, right, and name the new portfolio, combining all of your investments, okay, and you can see the real-time data. The search results will show you summary of the current stock prices, financial news, and market trends. You can add stocks to a watch list to see real-time updates and news tailored to your interest. You can follow it or to receive new updates, or just go ahead and add new list right here, a watch list, okay, that includes all of your stocks basically, right? So basically that's how you use Google Finance to track your portfolio and the newest in the market. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.